Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Fiat 500 guys. We'll be demonstrating on a Fiat 500 Abarth, but it should work on other ones as well. If you want to see where the AC compressor is located on the 1.4 engine, stay with us, we'll explain that. Even if you have different engine, it may be helpful guys. It's actually a very unusual location. It's hard to see, hard to get to, but we will explain about it today. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. And if you need to buy any parts tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So let's explain now, okay, what we have here specifically. So, if you get under the Fiat guys, we remove the engine splash shield, also known as engine undercover. It's right there. If you want to see how to remove the engine splash shield, we have the video on the channel. And you come right here, you're going to notice, okay, that on here on top you have, okay, the alternator, right? Check this thing out. You have alternator there, and right above that alternator on top is where the AC compressor is located guys. But how we can access actually that thing, where we can access it from, and you can see it actually. So let's go ahead and explain that now. So we're going to come to the front, okay? We'll come to the front, we'll open the hood. Okay, let's go ahead, open the hood quick. Support it now. And we remove the air filter box here on that Abarth. This is the air filter box. For any of you that need help to remove air filter box on Fiat Abarth, we have the video on the channel. And if you come right here on top, right there, that's the high pressure charging port right there. Right underneath that thing is the AC compressor. Let's get the camera now. We're going to get a camera. You can kind of like see the belt and the compressor from here. If you remove the actually the coolant reservoir, you will be able to access it. But okay, let me come from this side quick. Okay, from right here, if we come, you will be able to see that's the AC compressor and clutch right there guys. So it's right here on top, but it's not very easy to access. It is doable, okay, but you might have to work from underneath and on top as well to access some bolts. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing to locate it in case you need to replace it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.